I see that.
The Repair Cafe is about stopping things being thrown away, about allowing people to reuse objects and to get more life out of them, I suppose. And it's also a community thing, so people in the community who have the skills to repair apply those skills and help other people in the community. So it's a very social thing as well.
Something special, it gets ever so expensive.
I grew up in Siberia.
In Siberia?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
And Vitaly is from Ukraine.
Ah, cool. Tricky.
This Repair Cafe began in May 2022, so it's coming up to its 4th anniversary, and in that time we must have repaired thousands of different objects. People bring in broken or worn out things that we can then get back into working order so that they can keep using them. It enables them to have their loved items still in use. It stops things being thrown away and contributing to landfill, and most important of all, it means they don't have to be manufactured and create all that extra CO2 as a result.
You're given a number, and that number stays with you through the whole process. You go down to the allocation desk, see.
Sorry to interrupt.
This is the cyclical economy in action, yes. We are part of that, and we need to encourage it in every other sector. We need to encourage manufacturers to make things that can be taken apart and repaired, to provide spare parts to enable those repairs, to provide information so that ordinary people with reasonable skills can do the job for themselves, not making it too over-professional.
And that builds community, those skills.
Absolutely. And we're not, of course, trying to replace professionals. The fact is, sadly, many professional repair capacities that used to exist don't exist anymore. You can't go to the high street and get your electrical iron repaired. So we're doing what is no longer available elsewhere. We hope in time that manufacturers will make things more repairable. They will encourage the training of repairers, and this thing can become absolutely embedded in society rather than just relying on us as volunteers.
Testing device.
Earth continuity, installation, pass.
So I've got number.
With the heater, is that right?
That's right. 42 repaired. Thank you very much.
Are you happy with the help that you've received?
Excellent. Outstanding.